Easily trim your videos with Prism. To trim a video in Prism, start by adding your video and clicking the Effects button near the bottom of the application. Click Add Effect and select Trim. In the preview, adjust the red and blue markers to set the start and end points of the section you want to keep. Click OK on both the Trim dialog and the Video Effects dialog. Select an output format and click Convert to process the video. Continue watching for more details on how to trim your videos with Prism. First, open Prism and import your video by adding it to the program. You can simply drag and drop your video into the interface or use the Add File button to select your file. Once your video is added, navigate to the bottom of the screen and click on the Effects button. This will open the Video Effects dialog, where you can apply various effects to your video. In this dialog, click the Add Effect button to bring up a list of available effects. From this list, select Trim and click OK to open the Trim dialog. On the right side of the Video Effects dialog, you'll see a preview of your video with two markers, the Start marker in red and the End marker in blue. You can drag these markers in the preview window to the positions where you want your video to begin and end. This defines the section of the video that will be retained after trimming. If you want more precise control over the trim points, you can adjust the markers using the cursor and the buttons in the Trim dialog. Click on the preview timeline to set the cursor. Click the Start button to set the start marker at the current position of the video player cursor. Similarly, set the cursor and click the End button to set the end marker at the position of the cursor. You can also manually enter the exact time code for the start and end markers in the edit control next to each button. Once you've finished trimming your video, click OK to apply the trim effect. The trim effect will display in the command list in the Video Effects dialog. To save your changes and close the Effects dialog, click OK. Select an output format and then click the Convert button to process your trimmed video to a new file. When the conversion is finished, click Open Output folder to easily access and view your newly trimmed video. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.